I will not apologize for ending something that sucked. Boss just bought that for me! Am I really supposed to care? Fine, but you've brought this upon yourself. Boss! What is it now, Fixer? Sev just blew a hole through my brand new cell phone! Just look at it! Ah, dang it! Scorch is always great with these kind of things. Mostly because his cell phone's been blown up so many times. And unfortunately, he's looking for the cell phone that Sev lost yesterday in the streets. And that probably wasn't a good idea to send him out because it's the middle of the night. Oh my god, it's so scary out here. Good thing I have my headlamp. Well, this does look horrible, but it's not as bad as 3-6's situation. Man, I can't believe they left me behind. Wait a second. What's that sound? Ah, nothing there. No, wait, there it is again. Man, that story still gives me the heebie-jeebies. I wonder what everyone's doing back at base now. Ha! There you are! Gotcha, stupid phone. Okay, guess it's time to go back to base now. Does this mean that it can't be fixed? Well, as I would think, a phone with a 3-inch hole in it wouldn't be able to be fixed. Why? It was just born. The poor phone. It never did anything, Sev. Why'd you have to kill it? Why? Are you done yet? I guess so. Dude, we can just buy a new one. Right. Oh my god, Sev!